Welcome to the Cups of Consciousness show. I am Aleya, your host. I'm a doctor of Oriental Medicine, a sound healer, the author and founder of the 7 Cups of Consciousness. I have produced 9 sound healing albums and have recorded over 2,000 meditations online. I am an energy practitioner and help people shift their consciousness using their energetic fields. And this show is all about using your energetic fields to shift your consciousness, as well as exploring energetic concepts that help you create a more empowered and connected life. This episode is an energetic session that explores concepts, energetic practices, and protocols that are similar to a prayer, which help you transform particular aspects of your life. When you listen, recognize that some part of you is using your energetic fields to shift your vibration, which in turn shifts your consciousness, your behaviors, your beliefs, how you react and respond. You might even go into an altered state, so use caution if you're driving or doing something that requires a focused mind. With all of this work that I present, remember that it is your energy shifting you in your own unique way. That way you stay in control and empower with your process. So take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line of light, and explore your inner terrain in a safe and supported space. Let's dive in. The steps for connecting with your body and helping your body heal, move through a particular discomfort, pathology, however you perceive it. Recognizing that your body has its own unique consciousness. Useful rider, take a deep breath in, pull your energy and awareness into your divine line, front of spine. You're really using your body's breath to pull yourself into that inner river, to exhale and ground and anchor into that inner river of light. And then you, the soul, riding in the body, just take a moment and say, body, there is this thing that I am perceiving that you are experiencing. And this is a really powerful practice, whether it's body pain, body pathology, body discomfort, body pattern. It could be insomnia, it could be a behavior with food, substance, back pain, breast pain, neck pain, head pain. Step 1, you, soul rider, are being very aware that it's not your pain, it's your body's pain, and you are very compassionately saying to your body, body, you are experiencing ... And just take a minute, maybe even jot that down. Body, you are feeling. You are in the behavior of. And you, soul rider, are not judging it. You're just observing it. And then step 2, you could very, again, compassionately say, body, are you aware that your foot hurts, or that your neck hurts, or that you're in this behavior? Are you aware of that? And what if you were even more aware of this experience that you're having? Would you be willing to look at it, to feel into it, to explore this energy that you're experiencing? You're asking your body to become more aware of this energy. And then the next step is to say, body, you are processing something. You are doing something with this sensation or this behavior. What is it you're really wanting? You're using this almost like a mechanism to try to get something. What are you really after? You don't have to tell me, but body, would you be open to exploring what you're really wanting? You're using your physical human form and or behavior to try to activate a very particular vibration in your divine line, divine cosmic loop. Do you know what that vibration is that you're really after? And again, you're using the physical dimension or your physical body trying to change your vibration, evolve your vibration, move your vibration in your divine line, divine cosmic loop into a more harmonic state. And what you, soul writer, are doing again is you're very compassionately witnessing, reflecting back to your body. Body, you're using this thing, this body pain or this behavior, and you're using it because you want something. But what you want actually is to change your vibration that flows in your divine line. And body, what if you used your higher self, your energetic fields, to activate this vibration that you're wanting to attain in your individual divine cosmic loop? And you keep activating that vibration more in your individual divine cosmic loop, more, whatever it is. So, writer, you don't have to know. Your body doesn't have to consciously know. Body, David, just keep activating that vibration in your individual divine cosmic loop. More. Because as soon as you've attained that vibration, that ripples and reflects into your physical field, into your cellular field, into your consciousness, into your mental field, into your emotional field, into your behavioral fields, into your grids, into your vibrational fabric, into your joints, tendons, your blood, your bones, into every aspect of your being. Body, use your higher self, your energetic fields to activate that desired vibration in your individual divine cosmic loop. More. And then you, soul writer, are the feedback loop for your body. Like, body, you still have the pain. Activate more. And so what you're doing is you're saying to your body, use your higher self. You're asking the body to use its higher self, its energetic fields, its own healing current to activate its desired vibration. And you're pointing out to your body that it has nothing to do with the physical dimension, it has nothing to do with the behavior, it has nothing to do with the physical pathology at a vibrational level. And very efficiently, very compassionately, in an empowering way, you're encouraging your body to activate its desired vibration in its individual divine cosmic loop to the degree that it chooses. You're not using your energy. You're not using your energy to override the body. You're encouraging the body to use its higher self, its energetic field, to activate the desired vibration in its own individual divine cosmic loop. To ripple and reflect that vibrational shift from its divine line, divine cosmic loop into its fields, into its physical fields, emotional fields, mental fields, behavioral fields. And if the body says, I don't want to, goes into that little rebellion, immediately pause and say, oh, body, you don't want to change because you still need to integrate all of the change that you've experienced in the last year or decade, 2 decades or 3 decades. And body, would you be open to referencing another dimension where you have an integration chamber, where you can integrate, maybe integrate for the next month or the next 3 minutes, the next 3 hours, however long you need to be in that integration chamber. We are not going to push change if you haven't even integrated all of the change that you've already been exposed to. So body, use your higher self, your energetic fields to reference an appropriate dimension where you can be in this safe, supportive environment, integrating. And just keep holding space for your body to integrate. Witness your body in that other dimension integrating. Maybe you, soul writer, need to also have a chamber for integration. Maybe each one of your team members also need to have chambers for integration. And then as soon as we've allowed for integration, then we no longer have resistance to change. Taking a deep breath in, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. Letting that integrate. You have been listening to the Cups of Consciousness show with me, Aleya Dow. Receive a free month of the Cups of Consciousness. Go to 7cupsofconsciousness.com. When you get your free month, you will get 5 cups a week for 4 weeks. You'll also receive access to a live Tall Cup of Consciousness session. Feel free to review the show. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you next time. Aho.